Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is used for, drawbacks of this chemical, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Pivot Ultra Plus is an aerosol insecticide that combines an insect growth regulator, or IGR, with powerful adulticides to control fleas and other pest infestations. This product contains the IGR Pyriproxyfen, which will stunt the growth of juvenile insects, preventing them from developing into reproductive adults, and the adulticides Etofenprox and Prallethrin, which are synthetic pyrethroids and will target the pest's nervous system. This combination will target the entire life cycle of an insect pest for long-term control. Pivot Ultra Plus is labeled for use indoors and outdoors and is primarily used to treat fleas, but it can also be used to kill other pests like ticks, cockroaches, and carpet beetles. Pivot Ultra Plus comes pre-mixed with fixed concentrations of its active ingredients. While this is great for ease of use, there is no way of gaining higher or lower concentrations for a wider variety of treatments. For a product with more user control, check out Flex 1010. Flex 1010 is labeled to treat many of the same pests that Pivot Ultra Plus is labeled to treat, like fleas, ticks, and roaches. However, this product comes in a liquid concentrate and can be mixed with water to get varying concentrations. Additionally, while Pivot Ultra Plus is great for controlling fleas and other pests, it has a narrow product label that limits where it can be applied and what pests it's able to control. If you're looking for a product with essentially the same function, but can be used to treat more pests in more places, check out Novicide Flea and Tick Killer. Novicide is an aerosol insecticide used to treat fleas and many other pests, including ticks, German roaches, mosquitoes, and several stored product pests. This product is formulated with different adulticides from Pivot Ultra Plus and features a synergist that boosts the product's potency and has a residual of up to 7 months. Novicide can be used in more locations like supermarkets, vet clinics, kennels, and various industrial buildings and vehicles, making this product great for professionals with many clients. Before using Pivot Ultra Plus, we recommend you wear your proper personal protective equipment or PPE, and remember to keep children and pets away from treated areas until the product dries. Pivot Ultra Plus comes in an easy-to-use aerosol can, so there's no mixing required. Just shake the can thoroughly and point the nozzle downward before spraying. Pivot Ultra Plus is typically used indoors to treat fleas, but it can also be used outdoors as well as indoors as a spot application to kill other labeled pests. To treat fleas inside the home, apply Pivot Ultra Plus to all locations where fleas could be harboring, including the carpet, furniture, pet bedding, and baseboards. Hold the can at arm's length about 24 inches away from the surface being treated and spray in large, sweeping motions. You'll want to apply quickly at a speed of about 1 foot per second. An area of 80 to 100 square feet can be treated in about 10 seconds. For spot treatments, hold the can 24 to 36 inches away from your target and spray. Make sure the product makes contact with all pests in the area. Pivot Ultra Plus does not provide an instant kill. It can take several hours for a pest to die, and up to 2 weeks before you notice a difference in pest activity. Affected flea eggs and larvae will be unable to develop into reproducing adults, so they'll die off with no chance to repopulate. After application, exit the area and keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry and any vapors have dispersed. Pivot Ultra Plus has a residual that will prevent flea reinfestation for up to 3 months. We recommend you spray at the end of every 3-month period for year-round control. When treating an active flea infestation, it may be necessary to perform a follow-up application after 2 weeks to target newly pupated fleas. Shop for Pivot Ultra Plus on our website or stop by any Solutions location to get yours today. Most active infestations cannot be controlled through the use of one product. For each type of pest, we've come up with a treatment method that's 100% guaranteed to work. Click the icon in the top right of the screen to get more information.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.